Good evening, viewers. Welcome to another edition of the Sport Rep Show. My name is Limba Mupatami. On a very chilly evening, I'm joined in studio by my co-host Jesse Jackson Carriser as he brings you just some of the highlights of the events which took place in the weekend. To you, Jesse.
Yes, good evening, viewers. Well, we know that it's still quiet due to the coronavirus pandemic, but a few movements there. We managed to track down a man that many regard as a legend for the Brave Warriors, a guy that actually so many people always wanted to see whenever he's in the team sheet, and that's Rehoboth-born and a striker, Henrico Bottas, the Platinum Stars, former Bidvest, University of Pretoria, you can name them all. The man is in South Africa and says he is alive and well, still follows Namibian football and always hopes for the best for the Namibian Premier League and the Namibian national team. Well, one of his biggest regrets, he says, was not being part of the team that went to the 2008 Africa Cup of Nations in Ghana. Bottas was injured. Well, he has actually suffered various injuries throughout his careers, which prevented him from shining at his best for the Brave Warriors. Bottas made about 20 appearances and only scored 5 goals for the national team for a man of his caliber. But, well, he's still alive, has decided to venture into coaching, well, in Pretoria and in Johannesburg. That's Henrico Bottas. Well, the Gamers Association, which is of electronic sports, postponed their tournament, which was slated for early June to 21 June. The association said that they were planning to bring in more players for that tournament. So the registration, the deadline will be on 17 June. Dion Hotto, the man about town. Everyone is talking about Dion Hotto's move to Orlando Pirates, and it's getting closer and closer than ever. We understand reports from South Africa have suggested that the player has actually, the teams has already in advanced stages of the talk to ink a deal for the Buccaneers. We remember that Bidvest has also been sold, so it was quite, it will be a good move for the player to travel to the next club. We understand that Dion Hotto is going to be a very important asset. A few pundits and former coaches, including Woody Jacobs, Colin April, have spoken highly of the player, saying that he offers experience, wealth of experience indeed for the Buccaneers, and will trouble some players. They will have to fight for that position because Dion Hotto will be there to take that position of the left wing. We know Dion is quite a talented player. Cricket Namibia hosted a club forum this weekend at the Windhoek Country Club. Among some of the matters was just discussed about the fixtures and the season going forward, including the past seasons. The Cricket Association also mentioned that they have been investing into education for their employees, especially those that are in administrative offices, just for them to gain knowledge and do more. And then we go here to Barcelona. Lionel Messi was again on the score sheet over the weekend. The Spanish La Liga returned indeed after quite a time off, and Messi was on target when Barcelona defeated Mallorca 4-0. That was on Saturday. We also do have something for you from the virtual Comrades Marathon, where Risa Dreyer was in action over the weekend, and this is what we have for you as she was running in an hour of she ran 7 hours and 29 minutes.
Well done, well done! Almost there.
Well, that was Mr. Dreyer there for you. Well, Limpa, over to you. What do you think about Dion Hoto's exceptional move and the fact that the club was actually sold?
Yeah, well, Dion Hoto is a big player. And I think that big players deserve big clubs. So, I mean, well done to him. I hope he works hard as he has always done over the years. And he continues to get playing time as well, because I know with a lot of big clubs you sign, the money is good, but then you're always benching. So I don't want that to happen to him, because I feel that he still has a lot of games in him. So well done to him.
Well, that's well done to Dion Hoto. We wish him all the best of luck indeed.
Yeah, and that is all from us today, from the Sport Rep Show. Please do join us again on Thursday as we bring you a little preview on some of the games that will take place over the weekend, with the Premier League starting tomorrow as well. So that is something to look forward to. So thank you so much, Jesse, and that is all from us.